Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have here USDZAR, but today I will be doing something different. Normally I analyze and explain, as you guys saw in my previous videos, but this time around I will be only explaining my analysis. As you can see, here are two trend lines. This is USDZAR on a 1 week time frame, and here you can see that we have two trend lines, an uptrend or a bullish channel. As you can see, we are making higher highs and higher lows. Now I'm expecting price to create a new high at the top of the channel. As you can see, creating a new high. As you can see here also, this is a lower high. This is a lower high, expecting to make a higher high at the top. As you guys can see, on a 1 week time frame, things are looking bullish. And as I go down to the 1 day time frame, this is where things get a little bit complicated, but not to worry, I will explain. First, I have to hide this. And as you guys can see, this is a beautiful bullish bearish channel on this 1 day time frame. Within this higher time frame structure, the 1 week time frame structure, and this indicates a reversal. So I'm expecting a reversal at this area over here. And as you guys can see, we also have a beautiful head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder pattern. This inverse head and shoulder pattern indicates to us that we are at a trend reversal, a possible trend reversal. As you guys can see, you're at a low, lower low, but this is a higher low, a possible higher low. And the moment we break this high, it makes it a high, a higher high on this small uptrend, a higher high. So, but let me explain my analysis so that you guys can exactly see where price is going. Just by clicking this. Now, as you can see here, we have resistance over here. And at resistance, we found ourselves a pattern. But this is not any pattern. This is a reversal pattern. Also, at resistance, this is a ascending pattern or a bullish channel, but in the nature of a reversal. And as I just go down to the 4-hour time frame, you guys can see that. Oh wait, let me just bring back this and go back to the daily time frame to show you guys why I am positive that this will go to the upside. As you guys can see, if I can just hide this, here was a reversal pattern also, but this is something like a falling wedge, and it broke out of the pattern. Now we have a consolidation outside of the pattern. These areas over here, this is a consolidation. Now we're expecting a move to the upside from this consolidation. As you guys can see, we're expecting price to at least hit these areas over here, then possibly go to the upside. So I'll be looking for long-term bullish momentum. And as I go back to the 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, I see that we have more patterns. This is a 1, 2, 3 with a double top, indicating a reversal. So this is a strong point of reversal over here. And that's where I'll be focusing on. You guys have to understand patterns within patterns. We already have 3 reversal patterns with a with a lower time frame continuation pattern, the small one over here. But this indicates we are going to the downside. Let me just leave it as it is. So I'm expecting price to at least go to the downside to these areas, maybe then go to the upside from there, or maybe just do this to create momentum, then bounce to the upside. But let me go to the 1 hour time frame. On the 1 hour time frame, I see that we have a reversal pattern, breakout, another reversal pattern, and here's a continuation pattern of this reversal pattern, hoping to go to the downside from here all the way to the downside, as you guys can see. And even on the 15-minute time frame, it's clear that once we break this, the structure here, even once we break this, then a retest, maybe like this, and a retest, we are going down. And with a tight stop loss, something like this, then you can swing it to the low or where you are comfortable with the profits. When you are satisfied, then you can enter, then you can exit the trade. But this is where I'll be expecting to this pair to go. But be cautious, because this is a possible uptrend, so you don't want to swing it all the way to the downside, as price can reverse anytime and go to the upside, as this has been confirmed to be a bullish market, and this is at reversal point. So be cautious about that, and I'll see you guys on the next video, hopefully soon. Expect another upload soon on another pair that I think is a high probability trade. And I hope you do subscribe to my channel and like this video, as it helps me or my channel or YouTube to promote this video to other viewers that might find this very helpful. See you on the next video.